Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to deliver the fourth day's lecture of assignment number 7, and today we are going to read the chapter number 4, dealing with exam stress, which is on page number 48 and 49. So please open your books on page number 48. Objectives of this lesson are that students will be able to read the comprehension passage, and the success criteria will be that they'll remember that what is the exam stress. They'll come to know about the exam stress. What is exam stress? Okay, our topic is dealing with the exam stress. Exam stress is a feeling of pressure that many young people feel coming up to exam time. It usually occurs during the revision period before exam. So, being a students, we all have experienced the exam stress, right? Whenever the exam is near, we feel very much nervous, we feel very much depressed that what will happen, we don't know how we are going to respond the exam. We think that we have forgot each and everything which we have learned, right? So, this is basically the exam stress. Or what is stress? Stress is the individual response to pressure, that how we respond towards the pressure. What is our ability? How we can respond toward the pressure? How we are capable of adapting the pressure. And there are some people who deal with the stress in a positive way, whereas some find it difficult and they become depressed and they become ill and they feel fever before the exams. Right here on page number 48, you can see that there are some symptoms of what does stress look like. That forgetfulness, you feel that you have forgot each and everything. Tiredness, you feel very much tired. Difficulty in sleep, when you are depressed you can't sleep properly. Headaches, you feel pain in your head, you feel loss of appetite, a lack of interest. Usually you feel very much deviated from the daily life routine, right? And then they have told you that what can I do, what you people can do to reduce your stress, to minimize your stress, right? So here you have to learn about the stress management, what is stress, and stress, how you can manage the stress. Okay, then you have to read the page 49, 48 and 49, right? And you have to reflect on what you have understood after reading or listening to the passage. Then you have to tell that what you people have understood why after reading this passage about stress management. In this passage, you will get information about the signs of stress, the symptom of stress, right? The word stress is, how it looks like, what you feel when you are in the stress, and what you can do to avoid the feeling of stress, how you can get rid of stress, right? And there is no written work for this assignment. You just have to read the page number 48 and 49. No written work in this assignment.